This is the one dog that even tigers won't fuck with. Introducing the Alibi, the most dangerous dog in the world. This colossal beast isn't just a dog. It's a damn juggernaut in canine form, originally bred to protect sheep from large apex predators and any foolish enough burglar who thinks he's sneaky. The Alibi, or Central Asian Shepherd, doesn't just guard, it dominates. We're talking about a dog with a bite force that can snap goddamn bones like they're twigs at a campfire. Its courage, unmatched. This dog would rather face off with a grizzly bear than take shit from a pesky mailman. And don't let the fur fool you. This ain't no teddy bear. Picture this. Up to 200 pounds of pure muscle wrapped in a thick, dense coat, perfect for fending off the nastiest of weather and bites. Yeah, you heard that right. The Alibi's skin is like armor, thicker than your ex-skull, making it nearly impervious to pain. And despite their "I'll eat your face if you mess with me" vibe, they're loyal as hell.